What do you think about my wife's cooking, David?
Excellent. Her skills are as good as those of the best cooks in New York. I have no words to compliment her dish.
Thank you for your kindness. So, you did not tell me the reason why you're here. Can you share a little bit about it?
Well, I received an invitation from a famous university. They wanted me to move here to teach their college students.
Money is important. But the most important thing to remember is that switching jobs might provide you with additional experience.
I could not deny that.
What is your major, David?
Biology.
It's so good. You know what? My daughter has a great interest in nature and birds. She could spend hours just watching a butterfly move its wings.
It's nice. Where's she? Can I talk to her?
Sure, but she's not home now. She had a math test. I guess she will be home in half an hour or so.
I'm looking forward to seeing your daughter in person. I just noticed her in a photo of your family on Facebook. I never had the opportunity to meet her face to face.
Oh, there she is. Jenny, please say hello to Uncle David. He's one of my best friends.
Hello, Mr. David. I'm Jenny. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, Princess.
I'm not a princess, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry, my bad.
You could call me a discoverer. I love wandering around to discover new things.
Yes, I heard about your nature instinct from your father during our conversation. But your spirits continue to astound me.
Thanks. Where's Mommy, Daddy?
She went to work after repairing our dinner, honey. She had a night shift today.
Oh, could I start my house chore now?
Maybe later you can talk to Mr. David first. He's from far away. And he would like to talk to you about your books collection.
Okay, but I'm afraid that I won't have enough time to finish my chores if I don't start them now.
Don't you worry, I can help. You know what, David? She asked me to buy her a new microscope, which is a little bit expensive because her old one has stopped working.
It's a good thing. By the way, do you like collecting birds?
No, but I'm a biology professor, so I guess I understand them a little bit. Maybe not as much as you.
Fantastic. I also want to meet somebody who can share my passion with. Now it's you. Do you want to take a look at my showroom?
You have a showroom?
Yeah, it was my grandmother's room long time ago. She moved to another city a year ago, so my dad turned that room into a small museum for just me.
Okay, let's go.
He did a surprise!
Oh my gosh. I don't know what to say. It's just fabulous.
Thanks. This is a giant ladybird I found in a garden 2 years ago. Here is a rare butterfly, and this is my beloved beetle.
What was this bird doing?
It was sleeping, obviously.
Sleeping? How do you know for sure?
It became still at night and its antennae dropped.
Do you think the insect needs sleep?
Yes, of course. A long time ago, scientists thought that insects did not need sleep. According to them, the insect brains were not complex enough to need it. Do you drink when you sleep?
Yes, I do.
But insects do not. In the resort, they didn't sleep. They just rested instead.
Awesome. Where do you read this?
I read it in my dad's book about insects. It has got some enormous pictures of the birds. That's why I love it so much.
Do you know that news studies have shown that some insects may actually sleep?
Yeah, I know, but I did not read about it in detail. Can you tell me more?
Sure. There are 4 types of sleep behavior during sleep. First, sleeping people and animals don't move much. They also have a position for sleeping. For example, they lie down. Additionally, they don't wake up easily when hearing noises or seeing light. Lastly, they are able to come out of sleep quickly in response to an intense stimulant. Luckily, scientists have now seen similar behavior in fruit flies. Some insects may have their own unique kind of sleep. Your hypothesis might be correct then?
Oh, that's right. How many hours do you sleep each night, Mr. David?
When I was young, I slept for 8 hours per night. But now I'm so busy with my work that I only sleep for 2 or 3 hours a night.
Only 2 or 3? OMG, poor you. Do you know how long I sleep?
7 hours?
Yes, good guess.
Just as much as the flies sleep.
Really? Interesting. By the way, what is your favorite bug? I can give you one as a present, but just in case I have it.
Do you have a weeder?
A weeder? The one that lives in the mountains?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh no, I have not had it yet. I love that one next door to us, so I can talk to you every day about bugs.
I'll think about that. But I'm glad that you liked my present.